Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about society of IVC. As it was matriarchal, as Mother Goddess is seen in almost all the Indus Valley cities, and secondly, the contemporary culture of IVC and cultures survived by IVC had matriarchy. There was no caste system as it was started only with the Aryans. During IVC, there was no caste system. There was only class system. So the classes in IVC were merchants, craftsmen, peasantry, working class, hunters and food gatherers. In the urban life, well-planned cities is the most common aspect. Cities in general planned in rectangular shape with vertical and horizontal lanes in grid pattern, each lane crossing other in right direction. Houses were built with uniform well-backed brick. In Chanhudaro, stone construction. Just as town planning was uniform, the bricks were uniform, suggesting centralization of production. Every house was connected with main drainage. Underground drainage system with manholes was at most unique object of IVC. Street poles indicate end of city for lightning. Staple food was wheat and barley. Both veg and non-veg they used to use. Hobbies of the people are dicing, bullfighting, boat racing, singing, pastimes, dancing and fishing. They gave utmost importance for personal appearance. As Indus Valley women were highly fashioned, imported perfumes and lipsticks from Greece and Egypt. In the end, rituals generally cremation has taken place. Dead body was buried in sitting posture, head facing north. This was practiced by Lingayats and Vishwa Brahmins. And the other practices were partial burial, Varna burial or post burial, coffin burial and cyst burial. That's all about Indus Valley society. Now coming to religion, it is more appropriate to call it a belief system than a religion, as there was no organized rituals, scriptures and sacred places of worship. So worshipping Mother Goddess is the most striking aspect, which was borrowed from Mesopotamia where people worshipped Easter. The only male god was Pasupati. They also worshipped half lion and half man-shaped man called Gilgamesh. He is the Mesopotamian mythological hero. They worshipped animals, trees, stones and secret organs of human beings. This was the source of creation and evolution. The sacred animal was humped bull. In the Indus Valley side, Gumla, we find the practice of people worshipping Naga goddess. They believed in evil spirits and future birth of the soul. That's what about the religion. Now coming to polity of IVC. The cities of the IVC must have been governed by rich merchants. Administration was municipal. The form of governance can be called as oligarchy, which means rule of rich. Indus Valley cities must have been governed by priest classes. That's what about polity of the Indus Valley civilization. Thank you.